Good morning, class. Welcome to the final day of your art activism unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. So every day we talk about your learning goal and your essential question. Both of those are going to be in your learning log as well as all of your vocabulary for the third unit. So you want to make sure that you understand the learning goal, you understand the essential question, and the vocab before you complete that assignment. So please make sure you go back to any previous day's folders to review those if needed. Your task list for today is ultimately just to submit your final project and complete your learning log to do those two assignments. The first thing you should do is submit the final picture for your final project. That is worth 100 points. Please submit that under the Art Activism final project assignment. Once you submit that, I can grade that. If you're watching this video and you've submitted your project or completed your project early, please submit it in the same way. Just make sure that in the coming days you complete a free art assignment, a free drawing or sketch that you can submit to your daily progress to get those points. Otherwise, that does not relate to anyone who is finishing today, who's actually watching this on the final day. You do not need to do that. But lastly, your last step is to complete your learning log. Remember that there's 3 sections. You have to do the vocabulary section, the artist statement section where you describe your artwork, and lastly, the essential question. Please make sure for the artist statement and essential question you're writing as much as you can. There's no sentence requirement. I do want you guys to use vocabulary when necessary, when needed, and just show some kind of detailed reflection that's more than just a couple short words or incomplete sentences. Really write as much as you can. And then the vocabulary section, please note there is a helpful hint to please use the vocabulary answers PDF. It's a file at the bottom of today's folder that basically has all of the answers in a PowerPoint format. So that can help you with your vocab section since it is an open book, open note quiz. And that is everything. Just do your final project, submit that, complete your learning log, and you should be good to go. Any extra time you have after today or after you've done both of these, I would go to PowerSchool and check your grade spreadsheet to see what's missing, to see how you can make up any additional points to get that grade that you want. Please message me if you have any questions. I'm always here to help, and I look forward to seeing your final projects and grading your learning logs and getting your insight on your own project. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys soon. All right, bye.